welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings garage. And what do I have here in my hands is the issue with this beautiful machine. I know you can't tell yet, but I'm going to show you. This guy is garbage. This is what we need to install because that one is warped. Not prepared for the footage. Here we go. Smile, you're on camera. I'm kidding. And there is an updated part. I gotta get this thing open. Voila. Alright, here's the issue, guys. Old part. Can you see that? New part. Old. This one's warped. This one's not. Aluminum, plastic. Aluminum, better. Also, new seal. All right, let's take a look. Can I do this one-handed? No, maybe. Nope. There we go. Oh, that's lovely. That's nice. So this is where we're at for right now. As you can see, that's my thermostat. And something is clearly missing in its place. That should do it. That's it. Come check it out, guys. And there you have it. So you can see brand new housing with the hose. Now let's top off the fluid. And hopefully, you know, no more leaks. Fingers crossed. Let's start her up. Mind you, I haven't started this car in 2 weeks. Once more. Let's take a look, shall we? This is a real test. I don't see any leaks, so success. And there you have it, guys. The temperature gauge is actually starting to move. Car's been running now for about 20 minutes, but what you always want to do is you come over here and you put the heat on, and if you got heat coming through here, you know the chances are your the hair in your system is mostly gone. And I do have a pretty decent amount of heat. I don't really have a thermometer here to show you guys, but you have to take my word for it. But anyhow, that gauge wasn't moving before. It is now. For you diesel guys, you already know they take a while to move. So once again, Fingers crossed. It is a Volkswagen after all. So while the oil drains, which I don't know if you guys can see, it's not that bad actually. It's got about 3,500 miles on it. What I do is, this is your intercooler right here. Somebody mentioned this before. And you try to find the lower spot and you put a hole through it, and then you put a screw with a rubber washer, and you will see why. You do this with every oil change and you will be good to go. Your turbo will not run on you. Run on you? Something like that. Look at that. See how much oil was collected in the intercooler? Isn't that crazy? Just like that. Right back in. And now I know some of you are going to ask me, so what is the torque spec? Well, good and tight. How's that? That's good. And I, personally, not being sponsored, but I run Rotella T6.
Compared to the door.
Just like that, guys, we reached another milestone, and kind of sad in a way because I got some news for you guys. I have decided as of today that I'm going to be selling the TDI. I have a project in mind that I've been wanting to tackle for a very long time, and that I'm gonna move forward with. It is a V8. Some of you are gonna say, oh, American V8. Nope, it's not an American V8. Not a Corvette, not a Camaro, not any of those, not a Charger, yada yada yada. It's I tell you why, it's right up my line of work. You guys know I work for Toyota, so feel free to leave a comment below in which car you think I'm gonna be getting. But yeah, we'll be selling the TDI. And on that note, I want to thank you guys for watching once again. Thank you for all of you that subscribe. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll make sure to keep cool content coming your way. Till then, take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.